Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students of 10th class, our today's topic is merits and demerits of well irrigation. Yesterday we learned the major sources of irrigation in India. Now, today we will learn what are the merits and demerits of well irrigation. Since wells are the most important source of irrigation, as I also told you yesterday that two wells irrigate more than 5% of 50% of total irrigated area of India. A well is a hole or an opening dug in the ground to obtain subsoil water. There can be of three types. One is the lined, another is the unlined, and third is the tube wells. It has many merits, like this irrigation. The well irrigation is cheapest source of irrigation. Wells can be dug at any convenient place. It does not need the plot of land. It can be dug. It can be dug in a corner of the land, on the side of a road, or wherever we have the least place, and we can dug it in that very particular place. It is dispensable source of irrigation, and it is suitable for small holdings. The well irrigation has some demerits as well, like they tend to be shallow and may dry up, since when the ground level water level goes down, these two wells can dry up. They can irrigate only a small area, since the canal irrigation irrigates a large area of land, while as when we have a plot or a tube, a tube well can fulfill our this water scarcity. So we can say that tube wells can irrigate a small area, while as canals irrigate the large area. They need high water table. Water table, the water level inside the earth, where it is up. Sometimes we see tube wells by itself throw water out without any pumping. It depends upon the water table. Wherever we dug this tube well, if water table is high, we can get a lot of water. If water table is down, the level of water is deep in the ground, it is expected that these two wells can dry up early. At some places, well water contains a high percentage of minerals. You might have seen or heard that by taking tube well water, some diseases occurred in particular places. That is why it is said that well water contains a high percentage of minerals, which make the water unsuitable for irrigation as well as unsuitable for drinking. Some minerals, harmful minerals, are mixed in the water, which can cause the different diseases or problems, not only in agricultural but in the body of humans as well. So, dear students, this was our today's topic. Let's move further ahead, inshallah, tomorrow. Thank you very much.